We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Nightstands with Charging Station by YATINEY, model ET12BR in rustic brown and black. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The YATINEY Nightstands with Charging Station have quickly become a popular choice for those seeking a blend of modern technology and classic design in their bedroom or living space. This product stands out due to its integration of practical features, such as a built-in charging station, customizable LED lighting, and 2 non-woven drawers for storage, all wrapped in a compact rustic brown and black package. The brand promises convenience, versatility, and easy assembly, aiming to meet the needs of modern users who want both style and functionality without breaking the bank. One of the most praised features is the built-in charging station. Equipped with 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and a Type-C port, this nightstand allows users to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you need to power up your phone, tablet, or a bedside lamp, the charging station is designed for convenience. The power socket can be installed on either the left or right side, depending on your room layout and personal preference. Users consistently mention how this feature has reduced cable clutter and made it easier to keep devices charged and within reach overnight. The inclusion of a Type-C port is especially appreciated by those with newer devices, offering future-proof compatibility. Another standout aspect is the RGB LED lighting system. The nightstand offers 20 different colors, 22 lighting modes, 5 brightness levels, and various color combinations, all controlled via a remote. This allows users to create a personalized ambiance, whether they want a soft glow for reading, a vibrant color for mood lighting, or a gentle nightlight to navigate the room in the dark. Many reviewers highlight how the lighting adds a touch of modern flair and can be easily adjusted to suit different moods or occasions. The remote control is simple to use, making it accessible for all ages. The ability to change the color and brightness of the lights is not just a novelty. It contributes to the overall usability of the nightstand, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or even as a decorative accent in other spaces. Storage is another area where the YATINEY Nightstand aims to deliver value. The 2 non-woven drawers provide ample space for organizing daily essentials such as books, documents, remote controls, and other small items. This helps keep the surface of the nightstand tidy and free from clutter. While the drawers are made of fabric rather than solid wood or metal, most users find them adequate for light storage needs. Some reviewers express reservations about the durability of the fabric drawers, noting that they are essentially collapsible cubes with drawer fronts. However, for storing lightweight items, they perform well and contribute to the overall functionality of the nightstand. Versatility is a recurring theme in user feedback. The YATINEY Nightstand is not limited to use beside the bed. It can also function as a side table in the living room, a small coffee table for casual gatherings, or an accent piece in an office or dormitory. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, such as apartments, dorm rooms, or shared bedrooms where maximizing every inch of space is important. Several users mentioned that the nightstand fits perfectly in tight spots where traditional furniture would be too bulky. This makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to add storage and charging capabilities without sacrificing valuable floor space. Assembly is another area where the product receives positive marks. The nightstand is designed for easy DIY installation, with clear instructions that guide users through the process. Even those who consider themselves inexperienced with furniture assembly report that they were able to put the nightstand together quickly and without frustration. This ease of assembly is particularly appreciated by those who need to furnish a room on their own or who want to avoid the hassle of complicated setups. The sense of accomplishment that comes from assembling the nightstand yourself adds to the overall satisfaction with the purchase. In terms of aesthetics, the rustic brown and black color scheme is frequently mentioned as a highlight. The nightstand is described as stylish, elegant, and a good match for a variety of bedroom decors. It pairs well with modern, industrial, or rustic themes, and several users note that it complements their existing furniture, including beds and desks. The LED lighting further enhances the visual appeal, allowing users to tailor the look of the nightstand to their personal taste. Despite its many strengths, the YATINEY Nightstand is not without its drawbacks. The most common criticism is its small size. While the compact dimensions make it ideal for tight spaces, some users find it too small for their needs, especially if they want to place larger lamps or store bulkier items. The surface area is sufficient for a small lamp, phone, and a few personal items, but those who require more space may find it limiting. Additionally, the height of the nightstand is mentioned as a potential issue for some users, particularly if their bed or seating area is higher than average. Another point of contention is the sturdiness of the nightstand. While many users find it stable once assembled, others feel that the lightweight construction and fabric drawers make it less robust than traditional wooden nightstands. The drawers in particular are seen as less durable and more suitable for light storage rather than heavy or frequently accessed items. A few reviewers mention that the nightstand can feel wobbly if overloaded or if not assembled correctly. However, for the price point, most users feel that the trade-off between cost and build quality is reasonable. The wiring for the charging station is another aspect that receives mixed feedback. Some users appreciate the convenience of having outlets and USB ports built into the nightstand, but others note that the wiring can be difficult to conceal and may stick out in a way that detracts from the overall appearance. Suggestions for improvement include better cable management or integrated channels to hide the wires more effectively. Despite this, the majority of users are willing to overlook this minor flaw in light of the nightstand's other benefits. Value for money is a recurring theme in the reviews. Many users feel that the YATINEY Nightstand offers excellent value given its features, style, and affordability. It is often described as a great choice for budget-conscious shoppers, students, or anyone looking to furnish a room without spending a lot of money. The combination of charging capabilities, customizable lighting, and storage makes it a standout option in its price range. Several users mention that they would purchase the nightstand again or recommend it to friends and family. In summary, the YATINEY Nightstands with charging station, model ET12BR, deliver a compelling mix of technology, style, and practicality. The built-in charging station simplifies device management and reduces clutter, while the RGB LED lighting adds a customizable and modern touch to any room. The two non-woven drawers provide useful storage for everyday items, and the compact size makes the nightstand suitable for small spaces. Assembly is straightforward, and the rustic brown and black finish complements a wide range of decor styles. While the nightstand's small size and fabric drawers may not meet everyone's needs, most users find these trade-offs acceptable given the affordable price and the range of features offered. If you are looking for a nightstand that combines modern charging solutions, customizable lighting, and practical storage in a stylish and compact package, the YATINEY Nightstands with charging station are worth considering. They are particularly well suited for students, apartment dwellers, or anyone who values convenience and versatility in their furniture. As always, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this detailed review helps you decide if the YATINEY Nightstands with charging station are the right choice for your home.